Rocket Pat here. Hi guys, it's another hot rocket day in the jungle, and it is Sunday, and I am back to work on this 1964 Willys. Last that we looked at this truck, we got the pan, we got a 90 on the side, and then we used my shrinker to make this curve right here. At that point, I set it in here, and to get the shape in it that I have at this point, basically all I used was this rubber mallet, and I was able to pound it and stretch the metal over here. I did have to go to my shrinker a little bit right here and shrink a little metal right here, okay, to get it to lay flat down here. Another thing I did was I used my air hammer and I softly ran it around this way. Now I got a little bit more up in this zone right here. I'm probably going to use the air hammer on that. It's going to get loud up in here. I suggest that if your stereo, your earplugs, or whatever the hell you're using to listen to this on is cranked up, be warned, I'm about to make a little bit of noise here. So I'm going to set you guys right here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Hopefully I don't vibrate this stuff too much, but I'm going to go in here and try and get this to go where I want it to go. Alright, now what I've noticed is that because I'm stretching the metal here, it's kind of curling up on me. But if I take and I'm probably going to have to take this off and put it over my knee and give this a little bit of a bend right here, okay? But yeah, I think that's pretty good. What's going to happen next is I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to mark where everything's sitting right now. I'm going to take the clecos out, and the next step in this is literally going to be start cutting the old floor out from underneath this. Okay, I need this reference right here so I know not to cut too much. I know it's going all the way up, but there along this back wall I won't be cutting any at all. I'll cut it straight down so that this back wall is still intact and everything. And yeah, that's how you make a simple little floor pan for the 1964 Willys Jeep. Alright guys, well, y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. And when I get it cut out and I get it close to ready to weld in, we'll take a look at what I got going on. Alright guys, I'll talk to y'all next time. Y'all keep rocking.